natin guys. Mayroon na tayong first catch natin guys. Oh. Pero late na tayo guys. Is may huli tayo kay Tano. Ha? Yes oh. Yan. Good morning Ma. Good morning Mr. B. And Mami Linda. At Mr. Errol. Ano po? At si Juan Jory and Golden Green in Tanapa guys. Shout out. One catch in the morning of Monday. Happy Monday guys. Guys. Check lang guys. Look, may bucket guys. Tiga lang. At least it's not a big size guys, only a regular size. See? At least we have a catch now. Paano? Mayroon siya sa wala. Ano? Press na guys. Kasi uli na ang vaccine. Alright, press lang guys. Isa, but the promise is not a big size guys. At least you have different sizes guys. See? At least see the sizes the same. Larias lang sizes sila guys. Oh. Not big size, regular size only guys. Kailangan at least still have. So sarapan natin guys. Yeah. Ika mama. Guys oh. Sina. Andito na guys oh. Oh, mas malaki-laki to guys. Malaki to. Alright. This one good size guys. This is the big mama guys. This is the one big size. Nasa 1 pound na guys. See you. Alright. Contest na tayo guys Kasi nandyan service natin guys oh. Alright. Consist lang Mr. B. Alright. Enjoy lang guys. Kahit agoy-agoy ang backside. Aray. Continuous lang catching guys. Guys, nating catching guys. Ayun oh. Ayun guys oh. Saan yun? Ganyan guys oh. Alright. Akala ko wala. Mayroon Papa Jerry. Mayroon oh. Ayan guys oh. Oh, ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4 5 guys. Continuous na natin guys. Ano akong tinapay guys. Hindi ako nakaabot sa pagkuha ng tinapay oh. Pero kumagat bigla si mama guys oh. Ano ba yun? Ayan guys oh. Mama. Sus guys. Honest to goodness guys. Oh. Not yet 1 hour guys oh. Oh. Not yet 1 hour Papa Jerry. Habang kumagat guys. Oh, kasi wala na akong tinapay eh. Kukuhasan ako sa sasakyan ng tinapay guys oh. Wala may kumagat na agad eh. Kaya continuous natin guys. Let's go lang. Guys oh. Yan ang rad natin guys oh. Doon oh. Kuha muna tayong tinapay guys. Ay, rep Papa Jerry. Bagal mo. Kasi wala tayong kunti na tinapay natin guys oh. Pwede akala ko kasi yun lang yung akala mo na yan nagpahamak sa'yo. Ay yun ang radar natin, baka pagbalik natin lumipad na yun guys. Ari Papa Jerry. Yung new building guys, oh. Ako, hinahatak na guys. Pinapay natin guys, oh. Katot ko man isa. Mama guys, oh. Yung ano natin guys, naputol guys. Yung I think the bread may car. Naputol guys, oh. Tingnan mo ng mama guys, oh. Grabe, super laki, oh. Ha? Tingnan mo naman nakuha natin guys. Ayan na guys, oh. Ah, parami naman guys. Ha? Para tayo nag-harvest na naman. Yan lang. Ayun, laki, oh. Uy. Grabe, super. Continuous natin guys hanggang magaga pa. Guys, oh. Tingnan mo yung ha? Kalaga lang natin guys, nag-ano pa tayo. Ayan naman guys. Yun, oh. Tignan nyo naman to guys. Hindi ito ano, ha. Ito scammer si Papa Jerry guys, ha. Oop. Kamama. Oh, laki naman guys, oh. Yun, oh. Ay. Yan. I tell you guys, Papa Jerry is not scammer. Oh. Ayan na naman. Ha? Oh. Kahuli natin ng isa. Nandito naman guys, oh. Continuous na guys. Oh yes, mama. Alright, let's go. Guys, oh. Meron naman tayo guys, oh. Ilaban naman si Mr. Big guys, oh. Pamalakas to guys. Ha? Guys, oh. Ano kaya ito? What's this? Oh, still maputi guys. Malaki naman si mama guys, oh. Grabe. Talagang Papa Jerry. Ikaw na. Kaya nagisuli natin guys, oh. Ah, ikaw ng blessing ni Papa Jerry. Right, ma? Mr. B, Mami Linda, Anit Tomboy. Let's go lang. Golden Green. Fishing, shout out and Geo Habitat si Ruski guys, hindi ko nakita na magpipishing na guys. So lang si Buan John guys, shout out, and si Tom Allegri in the California guys, sa Sacramento California guys. So lang ayun guys, oh, pang may laban tayo dito sa umatak to guys, oh. Yun, oh. Ano kaya to guys, ha, yun, oh. Tingnan, puti ulit guys, oh. Kalaki ni mama guys. Sa 2 pounds siguro to guys. Oh, pag ganito ng kalalaki monster guys. Sus, ginoo guys. You believe me, Papa Jerry. Because this Papa Jerry guys. Oh, grabe. Oh, grabe guys. Continuous natin guys. Laki yan guys. Uber pa sa cellphone natin yan, oh. Grabe. Lampas cellphone kamo. Okay lang. Continuous lang. Guys, oh. Guys na. Malakapas yata guys. Oh, si mama ulit guys. Yun siya. Alright. At least nadagdagan ulit guys. Yan na yung huli natin, oh. Dadagdagan ulit. Utis na tayo. Kapalitan natin tubig to guys. Daming tawag to guys. Yung grabe laki naman guys, oh. Grabe ka laki guys, oh. Yan naman yung huli natin guys, oh. Para ng harvest naman si Papa Jerry guys. Ah? Harvest naman mar. Oh, grabe, continuous natin guys. Harvest time si Papa Jerry guys, kahit walang karing malakas guys. So lang, love you guys. love Papa Matcher, guys. Mama in the land, and the mama in the beach, guys. Woohoo! 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 Grabe naman, guys. Guys, oh, tingnan mo si Papa Jerry, guys, oh. Palaban naman tayo, guys, oh. Silang, mama. Mama. Palaban naman si Papa Jerry, guys. Yun, oh. Oh, laki naman, guys, oh. Yun, oh. Kap na, mama. Paupo lang si Papa Jerry, guys. Paupo lang. Paupo lang, guys. Oh, laki naman, guys. Ow! Grabe, super man laki, guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Paupo lang sa bucket, guys. Ha? Right, Mr. B? Ganang lifetime natin dito, guys. Mga 1 hour o 2 hours, okay na, guys. Uwian na. Alright. Oh, my wife's calling me, guys. Continuous natin, guys, ha. Guys, another one. Teka. Oop. Wala pa yata, guys. Sana yun? Ayun. Ayun, guys. Continuous na natin ito, guys. Habang makagat pa. Kasi nasa duluan lang, guys. Continuous lang, guys. Don't mad, guys. Enjoy lang. Lumipat tayo dito, guys. Oh. Uwi na sana tayo. Kasi hindi ko papayag, guys, nga masiro ako dito nakaraan, guys, eh. Yung kalay mo, andun sa sakyan natin, guys, oh. Karating na natin, guys. Ito na agad nagbugat sa atin, oh. Ang laki ng mama, oh. Hindi ko din nalang timbak ko kasi sabi ko, subok lang, guys, ay kumagat, eh, di wow. Diyos ko lang, guys. Almost tayo, mag-alas 9:30 na. Uwi na tayo, kakain pa ako, guys. Di pa ko nagkamerenda. Alright, yes, mama. Diyos ko lang. Kakalayuan lang konti, guys, kasi lutay na, guys. Yun, oh. Kuha, mama. May kalayuan lang, guys. Oh, mama. Ayun. Si mama nga, guys. Ayun. Ayun, guys, oh. Malaki naman si mama, guys, oh. Ayun. Ha? Nakadalawa tayo, guys. Kasi lisi si Papa Jerry, guys, sa ano, sasakyan natin, guys. Yun, nandiyan na sa nauli natin, oh. Panibagong malaki pa, guys, oh. Continuous natin, guys, hanggang kumakagat pa kahit low tide. So, guys, time to go home, guys. Last cheese na, guys. Na oh, remarks, mama. My wife already 3 times calling to me, guys. 2 times to go home. Because yesterday I go to the massage. I paying like $30 and my back is still pain. That's my problem today, guys. But at least nakapag-pacing tayo, guys. Sa aras to ng Monday, guys. Was at may kasing. Doon tayo, guys, kabila galing, guys. Hindi ko din lang timba ko. Pero naggalo na ako, guys. Yung laki ni mama, guys, oh. Yan, oh. Grabe, super laki. Okay, so nakadalawa tayo dito, guys. Not bad na yan, guys. Ha? Kami ii tayo. Dagdag natin sa nakuha din. Ito na nakuli natin, guys, sa araw to, guys. Ha? Ayan, guys, oh. At least not bad today, guys. At least hindi na sayang ang Monday natin ngayon, guys. Happy Monday, guys. Kaya guhom na tayo, guys. At least may huli tayo ngayon. Mga kalating timba. Right? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Alright, mama. Time to go home. And I God bless you, guys. And I love you, mama. And I love you, mama in the land. And I love you, guys. And I love you, mama in the bedside, guys. See you soon, guys. Yeah, I feel okay again. Okay, let's go. Because my wife too much calling to me. I love you, guys. See you soon. Alright, let's go lang. Yes, sir. Talaga huli natin ngayon sa araw to, guys. Ayan, oh. Ha? Swerte ngayon tayo ngayon, guys. Kaya nagpaalam na ako sa inyo. Pero hindi pa rin ako magpalagay, guys. Sige, baka sabi nyo, scammer ako sa pagpipising ko guys. Hindi scammer yan guys. Actual yan. Nakita yung lahat ng mga ebidensya ko kung paano ako mag-fishing, catching with my Herman braid guys. Na kahapon ko pa nabili yon. May medyo may kalumaanan pero okay lang. Nakapag huli pa rin tayo guys. O na huli pa natin yung not losing, I think it's a lot more catching guys. Okay, is it? Maybe soon guys. I love you guys, and I love you Mama Indasila guys. God bless to you guys. See you soon. Bye.